How to clean your fruits and vegetables properly. Flushing vegetables or fruits will never clean them thoroughly. To wash them correctly, we have collected some useful vegetable washing tips. Number 1. Use light brine. Rinse the vegetables at least 3 to 6 times with running water. Then soak them in salt water for 1 hour to remove residual pesticides. Number 2. Add alkaline. Put a pinch of alkaline powder and sodium carbonate in the water. Stir the water before putting the vegetables in it. Soak them for 5 to 6 minutes. Number 3. Use boiling water. Scalding vegetables with boiling water can remove 90% of residual pesticides. Number 4. Disinfect with sunlight. Sunlight on vegetables will decompose and destroy part of the pesticide residues in vegetables. Number 5. Use filtered water for washing. To avoid secondary pollution of fruits and vegetables by water sources, make sure to use filtered water. Clatterans water filters offer an easy way to get clean and healthy water.